Cooper Island, British Virgin Islands, starting off as we normally do, taking a look at this webcam, kind of time lapse from the morning hours. See the stars out, a few clouds, but our little palm tree not moving around a whole lot. So the winds most certainly have calmed on down, and yeah, it kind of makes sense. The sailboats in the harbor not opposed, but you do see a little bit of some wind striations there on the water. We do expect to see a little more active weather, not really with the wind, but more with the rain. Doppler Max not filled in with any watches, warnings, or advisories, so boaters are good to go. Land dwellers also good to go here as we continue for the rest of the day. Satellite as we head for our Caribbean, looking pretty good. Further off to the west, Hispaniola, Cuba, Bahamas, as well as Jamaica. Seen a bit of cloud cover out there to the west too. Nicaragua, up through Belize, parts of Central America, down through Panama, Costa Rica, seeing some showers and storms. To the south of us, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Curacao, looking good. But we do have this frontal boundary as well as another one that's kind of pushing through the Greater Antilles, both of those with some showers associated with them, but the one that'll gain more steam, and you can see it trying to work into our region, will be this one as a low pressure system off to the north in Bermuda continues to strengthen. Its southern flank will slowly work into our region. It'll change our winds around too. We do typically see an easterly wind kind of blowing from right to left on the wind map, but it's going to be blowing more left to right for a change. So places that don't typically see quite a bit of some wave action may be seeing a little bit more over these next few days just because of that wind direction, not because the wind will be too strong or we're expecting too much in the way of swells, but relatively quiet across the majority of the Caribbean. Let's take a look at Futurecast Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. as we head into the nighttime hours into tomorrow morning. The clouds build and we could be seeing some showers as early as Thursday morning. The better chance, though, comes dinner time and beyond. St. Thomas, St. John getting in a little bit of that action as we continue looking ahead. It's going to be quite a bit of rain where it does fall, especially for our friends to the west over towards Fajardo, parts of Puerto Rico. But St. Thomas, St. John likely getting a little dousing of some rain, likely just tallying to an inch, or not an inch, a tenth of an inch of rainfall there. You can see our wind direction a little more funky than what we're typically used to, kind of coming from the north as well as we head for our Friday. So initially coming from the west, eventually shifting more from the north. So that's going to, of course, provide larger waves there for the northern shoreline of St. Thomas. But in between the northern and southern islands, expecting to see actually decent waters out there. It's pretty much just the open waters where we do have any of those hazards. So waves 1 to 2 feet between the islands expected here. But of course, the closer you get to that open water, the larger the waves will be. 86 degrees our temperature for the afternoon, heading for Thursday here into St. Croix. Otherwise, expect a few of those showers to linger on. And our 5-day forecast does feature more of the same. Pretty stable temperatures for the most part. Our lowest chance of rain, that comes for Saturday. Could see a couple of showers otherwise. And for other days, definitely Thursday looking like the rainier day of them all. Then as we head into the weekend, clearing skies expected. Next week is starting a little bit wet as well. You can see Monday that 40% chance of rain. But all that matters, Tracy, is the weekend looking good. Sunshine. We got some rain today or as well as tomorrow. And then as we head into early next week, Saturday, Sunday, sunny though.
All's clear.
Can't complain.
Thank you.